I am out in the middle of this torrential downpour and half spitting rain, trying to find my cat and her kittens that she had today. And I'm terrified that I'm never gonna find them. And then that'll be the end of it. And then that's it. And I know nature sucks. I know that's the par for the course, but if I can stop it, I'm gonna stop it. I just can't. Like, my heart is too big, and I cannot. I will literally lose my mind if something happens to the babies. We pulled in the driveway, and as soon as we stopped, I heard meowing. I got out and I heard meowing, and he was just squalling. So I went over and I picked him up, and then, damn. And then he said that there was a male cat that had dropped him, like he had took off and dropped the cat. So that means the kittens are in the front side of the house. I just heard my son holler my name. And we're on spring break, so everybody's on hiatus and all excited. Worked up because of having the new baby kitten. But I am drenched. Hearing my son say my name. I guess call for me, not say my name, but call for me. Really freaks me out. Anyways, hearing my son holler for me about being outside in the middle of the woods freaks me the fuck out. So I'll come back inside. Stay tuned. I hope I find them. We found them.
Let's name him Tarzan because he was hanging from the vine.
Thank God.